As an adult, Mary Musgrove was a peacemaker and an interpreter between American Indians and white settlers. But she had been doing that all her life. Her father was an English colonist. Her mother was a Creek Indian. Mary, or Kusapona Kisa, was born around 1700. She lived with both white settlers and the Creek tribe and spoke both languages. In about 1725, she married John Musgrove, an English trader. They opened a trading post. Mary was a successful trader. She also helped Creeks and white settlers understand each other. From 1733 to 1743, Mary was the main translator for the founder of the Georgia colony, James Oglethorpe. After John died in 1735, Mary married Jacob Matthews. She set up a new trading post and continued helping the native people. After Jacob's death, she married Reverend Thomas Bossamworth. Mary was a businesswoman when few other women were. She helped keep peace between natives and settlers. Mary died around 1765. In 1993, she was named one of the Georgia Women of Achievement.